Managing an account review on Venmo can be a straightforward process if you know what to do. Follow these steps to navigate through the review successfully. Step 1. Understand the review process. Familiarize yourself with why Venmo conducts account reviews. These can happen for various reasons, such as unusual activity, verification requirements, or compliance with regulations. Step 2. Check your email and notifications. Look for any emails or notifications from Venmo regarding the review. They may provide specific instructions or details about what information is needed from you. Step 3. Gather required information. Prepare any necessary documentation or information that Venmo may request. This could include identification, proof of address, or transaction history. Step 4. Respond promptly. Once you have the required information, respond to Venmo as quickly as possible. Delays in your response could prolong the review process. Step 5. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account status and any further communications from Venmo. If the review takes longer than expected, consider reaching out to the customer support for updates. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on Venmo. Stay informed and proactive to ensure a smooth process.